Hey Royal Family, thank you for choosing the front row. My name is Roanna Moodley and this is your beauty edition of this makeup. Now today I'm so excited because this is a full face beat and I tried on lashes for the first time, so it really is something memorable. It is a milestone in my makeup journey and I really am excited to share this with you. So if you want to know how I got this looky right here, then do keep on watching. So we're doing a full face. Usually I do my eyebrows off camera, but today I'm going to do my eyebrows on camera because it is a full face beat. I'm going to use these Magnify Eyes by Rimmel. These are my go-to. I got them as a standard palette and now I just love the fact that it's got this chocolate brown and dark brown colors, which I now started using for my eyebrows, and it has been working so well and I'm so happy with how it's been doing. I did my eyebrows yesterday, so I think I may have just made a boo-boo there, but nothing too hectic that makeup can't correct. I've been loving doing my eyebrows lately because I am just so much at peace with how they look and it's just so convenient, and I also don't need to worry about an appointment, which is something I absolutely love. So they're looking a bit crazy. I don't know if I got that right, the arch, but I thought let me just clean up. Normally I don't clean up too much here, but yesterday I was like, let's just experiment. I have been absolutely happy with the way I shape my eyebrows now. I also like the fact that, you know, I have control over how it's going to look. When I used to go to a beautician, I didn't have control over how it used to look. So if they made like a mistake, then that was it. And if I couldn't really give my input. Like when I make a mistake, it's my own mistake to make. So I know what to do, or I'm more forgiving maybe. COVID-19 is taking a toll on me a little bit because I have been feeling like I just need to be a social butterfly, which is what I'm born to do. And now we are going to clean it up a bit. Just using my concealer. You can use any concealer that you have at home. And if you don't have concealer, you can also use foundation. This is like a small flat brush to shape it and blend it into my skin. Remember, I'm going to put foundation over, so don't even stress, hey? Now I'm just going to use my baby finger and whatever's left on my hand, just spread it all over my eye so I have an even base. Then I'm going to take my Stay Matte But Not Flat. It's just a bronzer that I'm going to use, and I'm going to use this to set my entire lid. And you know the drill with hooded eyes. Just like to make it a little high there. Create some dimension. Create some crease action here. Sometimes also with hooded eyes, it doesn't really work out exactly how you plan to, because when you look down you've got this whole shape and then you look up and you're like, but just embrace this beauty that you have. Let's use the matte style. What is this? Matte Black Super Last. This is my normal eyeliner that I use. Let's see if I can win here. So I have that graphic line there. fine. I'm gonna deal with that. From the side, it looks okay. So let's do the other side. So we have that, and then we got the graphics happening when I close my eye, but I'm gonna tidy that up in just a moment. And I'm now taking a flat brush, and I'm going to take the NYX Ultimate Palette, and I'm going to be using the black, just a smudge bit. I am going to smoke this edge out. Maybe I should have smoked it out a little bit lower, but it's done now. Let's see if I can do some damage control. And then I'm going to take my Love You So Much. I'm going to go in with that gold color and just kind of place it in the middle here to give it a little bit of a better look. With my makeup routine, I like to keep things simple, easy to apply, nothing too complicated, so I haven't really done it. But I used to get individual lashes prior, and I loved it so much because life was just simple. But now with COVID-19, you don't want to take a chance, so I thought I'll just delve into some falsies. I got this a while back, so you can see by the packaging, it's like so old. This is the NYX Eyelashes Sensual Fuller Dramatic Lashes, and it comes with 2 lashes, and it also comes with a glue. So it looks like this, and then like I haven't even trimmed it yet, so I'm gonna try it on for the first time. I have never put these lashes on, so I am very excited to try something new. So I think you'll need tweezers, and you'll need like to take it out, and then you'll need like a scissor to cut them. If I had to pull them out of the strap here, I was so sad. I bought some magnetic lashes which I thought I would use today, but then I tried to put them on and the whole thing cut, so that was not great. I was told if you just place it on top of your eye like this, then you can kind of measure how much. So here it is in my hand. I'm waiting for it to get tacky. I have no idea if I am going to even get it onto my eyelash. I don't even know if I measured it correctly. But we have to try something to make this full glam look work, you know what I mean? So, oh, I didn't put mascara on my eyelashes. Should I do that? I haven't curled my eyelashes. I don't really curl my eyelashes because whenever I put mascara, they tend to go up anyway, so I know that's like not the best. But I have ordered a lash curler, but it didn't come in time for me to do this video, so, and I was just like so anxious to do this video, so I'll try and do it on the next one. Oh my gosh, it should be ready now. Whoa, this is some drama. Okay, so that wasn't too bad. It looks a bit like whoa, but I think it gives my eye a nice little shape. Maybe, I don't know if I should have put it closer this way, but I cut the corners of the lashes. I don't know if that's correct. I gotta Google it after I'm done with this video. But it doesn't feel too hectic. It is quite dramatic. It opens up my eye a little bit more, so I'm quite excited about that. Hopefully I'll get faster at doing this. Gotta get up like half an hour early just to do your eyelashes. But this is very exciting. Oh my gosh. And the good thing is that I get to take them off when I'm done, which is so nice because then I can rub my eyes and just be like a normal human. Okay, time to put this one on. Let's go. Okay, so now that the eyelashes are done, let us do the base. For base, I'm using my AVON Soft Honey Cream Foundation. I like to use this foundation when it's cold and it's wintry like it is currently in South Africa, because then it is okay on my skin and I don't feel like it's too heavy. In summer, it's just too creamy and it's too hot to use, so I tend to dislike it in summer. But I really, really like it in winter because my skin is dry and this acts as such a good moisturizer for my skin as well. I think watching 1000 videos on how to put lashes on has helped me, but I don't think I'm there yet. I think I need to get to a place where I am very comfortable with putting them on. But for the first time, not bad, Rowie, not bad. Okay, I'm going to conceal under my eyes a little. So I don't want to put too much, just a little bit. I'm using a blending brush because I want the product to still kind of be there. And now I'm going to take my sponge and just blend out my whole face before I add any powder, just to make sure everything is even Steven up in this joint. I feel like I need a surbandi for these eyelashes. Oh my goodness, I am in love. And then I'm going to take my LA Girl loose powder and set under my eye. And now I'm going to bronze my face with the same bronzer. Time for some blushy. Some highlighter. I'm gonna go with the gold highlighter from my Love You So Moccho. Okay, let's go with a lippy lip. This is my contour stick from Essence. Encore is to die. This is my favorite combo to go with. Let's spray. Well, this is the look. I hope you liked it. I absolutely love how this look turned out. I am absolutely loving my lashes. I mean, Oh my goodness, I can see clearly. I'm comfortable. I know that I can take it off and rub my eyes when I'm done with this. It is giving me life. I was supposed to put a sirbandi and I was supposed to like do the whole shebang, but I decided to just go with a simple gold earring and a dot, and I wanted, you know, the dramatic eye to kind of be center stage with my sari. I think maybe my next look I'll try with the whole sirbandi look. It might go a little bit bridal, I would imagine, but this is just so beautiful. I'm so loving this look, and I'm so excited that I did this eyelash game. Like, oh my god. So do subscribe, comment below, and let me know what you thought of this video. Give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, I guess I'll see you on the next video. Keep it royal.